Hi, Matt here with Capell Flooring and Interiors. Today we are doing another episode of What's in the Box here at our flooring store. So if you're new to our channel or our social media feed, basically what happens is we get samples all the time. These two happen to be from Shaw Industries, and I open them up, or maybe someday one of my team members will open them up too. We'll see. But anyway, I open them up, talk about them, and we just want you to know what's current and what's going on because we get these all the time. We thought it'd be fun to open them up on the spot and watch me fumble over my words as I talk about them. So I can tell right now this one feels good. All right, so we got a couple here. So this one's called Yes You Can 2 and Yes You Can 1. So it's all part of the Shaw Pet Perfect line. Oh, this is kind of different. So it comes in 12-foot and 15-foot widths. They used to do a lot more 15-foot width carpet, so there'd be less seams in certain situations. But they don't do that very often anymore. So that's kind of fun. So if you had a rim that was like 14 by 18, you could get a 15 by 18, just put it in one piece. So I think we've talked about this before, but basically there's not a, well, there might be a Yes You Can 3 on another board. We don't know that yet. We'll find out. But right now we kind of have a better best situation. And so here you've got a nice color line again. Let's see. So what, we got 28 colors if I did that right. My third grade teacher would be proud of me. 7 times 4 is 28, I think. So, but looking at these colors, I mean, it seems like the colors are a little bit different this year. So that's kind of fun. This one kind of has like a minty blue-green in it, different things like that. Yeah. So yeah, this one, yeah, the colors are just getting a little bit different on each one of these. But yeah, this one does feel soft. But yeah, it looks like a nice piece of carpet. So that's the first one. This could be maybe Yes You Can 3. We'll see. I don't know. Getting a lot better at opening these boxes, that's for sure. All right, so oh, look at that. Yes You Can 3. My prediction was correct. So again, when you have a good, better, best, the carpet, the best is usually thicker and works its way down. So this will have the exact same colors as this one under here. This one's the nicer of the three, and it has 15-foot goods too. One thing, let's see, what else can I tell you about this? Oh, one thing also to keep in mind, so not on this sample, but you always fill the big sample for fill, and then the little samples are for color. But in the case here where you have a 2 and a 1, the individual samples are always the nicer of whatever's on the board. So that can sometimes be confusing. Somebody might say, I really like this one, fill it, but then they're picking the 1. So if they pick the 1 level, they need to be filling this for fill and then using that for color. So sometimes that's confusing to people. So yeah, that's a nice new product from Shaw. It's also got softback, which is nice. Helps protect your baseboards and things like that when you're installing it. So yeah, this one looks good. So again, these ones were called Yes You Can 3, 2, and 1, but it comes in 12 and 15-foot goods, which is really nice. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment below, or feel free to call or text us, and we will answer your questions. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.